How you can use Hailuo AI on your mobile. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, let's download the app on your phone. Go to the Google Play Store, then search for Hailuo. Once you find it, tap on it and install the app. After the app is installed, go ahead and open it. Now we'll need to log in. Tap on the Login button and sign in using your Google account. Once you're inside the app, you'll see different options at the top like Image to Video or Text to Video. Let's try Text to Video together. Now here, you can start by typing your prompt or command to make the video. If you don't know what to type, you can use ChatGPT to help you come up with the prompt. After typing the prompt, tap the Create button at the bottom. This will cost 30 credits. Don't worry, the app gives you some free credits when you first start. After that, you'll need to subscribe to keep making videos. Now, wait a few minutes while the app creates the video. Once it's ready, tap on the video to play it. If you want to download the video, just tap the download button at the bottom. Or if you didn't like how it turned out, you can tap Recreate and the app will make a new version for you. All your videos are saved in the Assets section. You can go there anytime to watch or manage your old creations. And finally, if you want to create more videos, tap the subscribe button at the bottom of the screen to see the pricing options. And that's it. That's how you can use Hailuo AI on your mobile.